Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about using keys. The objective of today's lesson is that students will be able to learn how to use a key to identify an organism or to classify it into a group. They will also learn changing a key from one style to a different style. Now imagine, student, you have found an insect that you have never seen before and you want to know what is its name. How would you try to find it out? Try to think of at least 3 ways in which you could do this. Which do you think would be the best? Coming next, biologists often want to identify an organism that they have found. They will look for it at pictures in a reference book, or they will surf on internet. The biologist may be able to find a picture of the organism with its name, but this does not always work. Biologists also use keys to help them to identify organisms. What is a key basically? It's a set of questions about the organism you want to identify. So you're looking at the insect or a bird or a fish and you don't know which group does it belong to. You don't know what is its name. You want to identify the organism. So there is a set of questions. You have to go through all of them, answer each question one after another. You work through all of the questions until you arrive at the name of organism. Okay? Let's try here. Here is a simple key to help someone to identify an organism. It is a dichotomous key. Di means two. So dichotomous means branching into two. Imagine that you have the whole animal to look at, not just these pictures. Okay, now you choose one organism you want to identify. For example, let me choose one for you. Crab or housefly. Let's choose housefly. You don't know the name, right? So, I'm choosing one animal here, and that will lead me to housefly. I'm choosing this animal right here on the top. Here. I don't know its name. I have chosen this animal to identify its name. So I will go to the very first question here. Does it have legs? Yeah, here they are. Okay, it means they have. So it's yes or no, you choose. So is it yes or no? Yes, it does. What you do, you move to another question which is waiting for you here. Next question is that, all right, you said that does it have more than 6 legs? What do you say that? You said that it have legs. All right, but more than 6 legs? Think about it. No, right? No, it doesn't have more than 6 legs. You just have here 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it means I'm choosing this answer. No. I'll move to another question which is waiting for me down here. All right, as you said, it does not have more than 6 legs. What about wings? Does it have 4 wings? One. Let me see. It's 1 here, and I can see it's 2 here. Oh, it doesn't have 3 and 4. So no, the answer is no. It does not have 4 wings. So what is its name? It's a housefly. Here you go. You got the answer. So you can understand that this organism which you have selected after attempted series of questions and answering them, you will reach to the answer. This is a key which leads you to identify an organism. Same goes for another animal here. You can choose from here or anywhere. All right. So, coming to next organism. Let me choose from this side. Which animal attracts you more? All right. Let's choose any other animal. Let's choose crab. But you don't know what is its name. I'm choosing crab here. Okay, let's go. We want to look over this organism and identify its name. We have this key here. We are going to focus now on this organism, and I will move to question number 1 here. Does it have legs? Oh, it's so obvious. It does. So it does have legs. So there is no question of saying no. There is no. It has legs. So we'll move to the next. Yes, it has. But does it have more than 6 legs? Let me see here. Right over here. Oh, crabs have more than 6 legs. Yes, they have more than 6 legs and they have 10 legs. So yes, it have more than 6 legs and it's yes. So yes will lead us to the answer. It's a crab. All right. Same goes for other organisms. Let me choose another one for you. Here, this one, this animal, and the other one here. These two are animals which you have to identify and let me know. Coming to the very next slide. Here you go. We have learned one of the method here of identifying an organism. There is another method too. Instead of questions, the key starts with a pair of statement. And there is a number telling you which pair of statement to go next. Here you see the number and here you see a pair of statement. Now, I want to find earthworm. Here it states earthworm. Or I can say I want to find the name of this organism right here on the top. So I want to identify this organism. But I'm not going to use this strategy now anymore. I'm done. I know it. I am going to use another strategy, and that is a pair of statement following with numbers. Let's start. All right. So we are looking for this organism right here on the top. It has legs. Does it have? No legs here. So I'm not going to go to 1A. 1A is wrong. Okay. Going to the next statement of pair. It does not have legs. Oh, you're right. It does not have legs. I'm with you. So it does not have legs. Okay, now you're going to follow this line where it is taking you. It says, if it's correct, go to 3. We will go to number 3. So here you go. We are jumping here directly. So we need to find out which statement is correct, A or B, from this pair. 3A states its body is made up of rings. Its body is made up of rings. Are we sure? So, there are rings. You can see the segments here on its body. So, the body of this animal is ring-shaped. Rings are there on its body. Segmented body is there of this animal. So yes, rings are there. That means I will have to follow this and it will lead me to the answer. It's an earthworm. The name of this animal is an earthworm. So the answer for my question is, if we try to find this animal, the answer is 1B and 3A. This is the answer. For rest of the animals, I want you to work on and let me know the answers. Moving to the last slide of our lesson. Here we go. Explain why key is called a dichotomous key. The very number one question here is already done. We are done with this question. Why key is called dichotomous key? And the answer to this is this. Because there are two statements to choose from each time. Di means two. So there are always two statements which you have to choose from every time. This is the answer. Hope you have enjoyed and learned something new, and this lesson has brought you another layer of interest, and I think you will attempt the questions which I have assigned in the middle of the lesson to you and get back to me. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Have a great day. That's all from Miss Aisha Jamal.